What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody is doing fantastic, or at least pretty well. And if you're doing terrible, then I got you. So we're going to go over Polygon, guys, going through a bit of a corrective wave. Now, guys, this is crypto, impulsive wave, corrective wave. Please remember that. I always get DMs when price is going up. Jax, this is the best. You're the best. Love your channel, bro. Price goes down. Jax, what's happening? It's dumping. Guys, this is crypto. If it only went up, no one would be working their 9 to 5s because everyone would be rich. All right, guys. So we're currently sitting at $1.55, down about 0.72% on the day. On the week, we're still sitting up about 14%, and we're sitting at a market cap of 9.75 billion, 24-hour volume 1.58 billion. So we will do the analysis for both Matic and for Ethereum. If you're new to crypto, you can check out the world's fastest crypto growing app, crypto.com. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the daily chart. Actually, we're here on the weekly because I just wanted to show you guys here on the weekly that for some reason these ads keep popping up. I think I have to pay my TradingView bill. That the 20 EMA is catching back up to the candles, which is healthy, guys. I remind you time and time again that if we get overextended, we're always going to come back to the 20 EMA here on the weekly. So I wanted to put it onto the 1-day chart. Let's open this up. So we're here on the 1-day chart, and we are still above the 20 EMA here, but I have a feeling we might come back down here to the strong level of support here at $1.42, the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, because that's what happens, guys. You have an impulsive wave and you have a corrective wave, and you go back and you retest support, and if you hold that strong level of support, then you see your next impulsive wave. So let's pop open the 4-hour chart. All right, guys, so we're here on the 4-hour chart, and you can see from our Fibonacci pull from this, oh, sorry about that, guys. I'm going to get that fixed up. From this swing high down to this swing low, and we reached our Fibonacci extensions. We had our breakout. We got above the 0.786. We broke out from our falling wedge, and we went up to our price targets, and this is where all your day traders and swing traders are taking their profits. The 1.272, the 1.414 at $1.65, $1.67. So you have all your traders taking your profits, selling off, and then you roll over, you go back to backtest support. Now we have $1.52, which is a previous swing high, which could be a strong level of support. So now that we've reversed the trend, what you do, guys, is you remove your Fibonacci. You take your Fibonacci from the swing low up to the swing high. If you see content creators pull it from the swing high down to the swing low, they just have their settings on reverse. And this gives you your levels of support. So we have that $1.52, the previous swing high. If we break that, we have the 0.382. And usually where you'll see price bounce on an uptrend is off the 0.5 or off the 0.618. So these price targets are right around that $1.42, $1.40 here, previous swing high. And then we have the 0.618 at $1.34. Now you want to bounce from one of these levels, because if you break the golden ratio, guys, that reverses the trend. You know how I pulled the Fibonacci and I said if you get above the golden ratio, there's a high probability of hitting these price targets? Well, it works the same way, guys. If you're on a downtrend, if you're going through a corrective wave and you break the golden ratio, it's a strong sign of continuation to the downside. And then, of course, we still have that $1 price target that is not off the table that I've been talking about in previous videos. But what we would like to see, guys, is we come down and we bounce off one of these levels, $1.52, $1.47, and then many times you'll see it bounce off these levels here at about $1.40, $1.34 off the 0.5 or the 0.618. You'll see it time and time again that's where price will bounce. So we're going to pop it over to the 1-hour chart. All right, guys, so we're here on the 1 hour, and you can see we're back underneath the EMAs, currently trying to hold that $1.52 as support here. And that $1.52 is quite a strong level of support because that is our previous swing high. And then we have that $1.47, $1.40. So you basically are waiting for that bounce. You're waiting for that strong level of support, looking for your chart patterns to see a reversal in the trend. So, guys, if we were to bounce from this $1.52, I will give you your price targets. It is looking like we're going through a corrective wave here, but if we do bounce from $1.52, of course, we have this high here at $1.77, and then you could take your Fibonacci from your swing high. That's if we were to bounce, guys, I'll give you the scenario, and then you have these price targets here at about $1.58, $1.60. You get back above the golden ratio at $1.63. You have the 0.786 at $1.71, and then you go to try to tackle your high, guys. But we are going through a bit of a corrective wave here. I'm going to pop open Ethereum. All right, guys, so we're here on the 4. Boy, that's really annoying. So we're here on the 1-day chart for Ethereum, and I talked about in yesterday's Matic video, it's crucial for us to get back above the EMAs on the daily if we're going to show a strong side of continuation, and we got rejected. We came up, we hit resistance on the EMAs, and we rolled over. As you can see here, we've had the bearish cross of the 20 over the 55, and we're hitting it as resistance, pushing the price downwards. So we'll pop into the 4-hour chart. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and I had pulled my Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low. We came up, we tried to tackle our previous swing high at 26.27. We weren't able to break above it, and we rolled over. So what you do, you remove your Fibonacci, you pulled it from your swing low up to your swing high to give you your levels of support. So you can see here, we're coming down to the 0.5 right now on the Fibonacci. Could be a strong level of support. You can see there was some support in this area as well. So I'm just going to drop a price target here. That's about 24.43. So keep an eye on that level. If we lose that, we have the golden ratio 23.93 as well as this trend line from our ascending triangle, this trend line of support. So that could be a very likely scenario of where we bounce is at 23.39. Now, if we were to lose that, guys, remember, you lose the golden ratio, you're reversing the trend. And then we would most likely find support around this level, the 0.786, around this bottom here at 22.336. But keep an eye, if we were to break the golden ratio, that's a continuation signal, a strong one towards the downside. All right, guys, so keep an eye on those levels of support. If we do bounce, let's say we bounce from 24.43, we bounce from 23.98, we have to come up and break these levels of resistance here, right around this area of 24.95. You see the resistance in this area, and then we come up, try to tackle our high once again at 26.27. You can see all the support in this area would be a key level of resistance. Also, our previous swing high for Ethereum. Just going to take a quick drink of water. So as I've been saying, guys, always keep an eye on the 0.5, the 0.618, the golden ratio, 24.43 and 23.98. We need to bounce from those levels if we're going to see continuation. And then if we break them, then we have 23.36. So I'll quickly pop open. I had Bitcoin. There it is. Quickly pop open Bitcoin. So we can see here on Bitcoin, I pulled my Fibonacci from our previous swing low up to our swing high to give us our levels of support. And I'll give you a really good example here. Can pull it from this swing low up to this swing high, and you can see it perfectly here. We came down, we had a reversal in the trend, we bounced off the 0.5, and we continued back upwards. So the 0.5 and the 0.618 are your key levels of support to see that bounce. So we're going to pull it up here. So we can see here the 0.5 lines up at 37K, 37794. I'll also drop in this line of support, the 0.382. Can always bounce from different lines of support, 38605. And then, of course, the crucial golden ratio at about 37.016. So keep an eye on these levels of support, and hopefully we see that bounce. If we break the golden ratio, then of course that is a signal of a reversal in the trend towards the downside. So we would like to see us bounce from one of these levels here. All right, guys, so we'll quickly pop Matic back open. So keep an eye on $1.52, the 0.382, $1.47, $1.40, $1.34. I do have a feeling we're either going to come down to about $1.40, $1.42, or $1.47 right in this range here, as it was our previous swing high right here, as well as a strong level of support in this range. All right, guys, so keep an eye on those levels, and if we do bounce, we have to break our high at $1.71, and then maybe I can give a future price target here at about $1.93. And if we were to break that $1.71, you would find a lot of resistance here. See all the support in this area at about $1.77, and then of course, excuse me, $1.94 previous level of resistance. All right, guys, but we are going through a bit of a corrective wave, so look for these levels of support. That's it for this one, guys. Polygonians. I'll see you guys in the next one. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and that's it. All right, guys, peace, much love.